Dancing Dancer of the Year. Angelina Marsley. Congratulations. What a happy day this is.
You have tomato sauce all around your mouth.
Is she walking yet? Can she say her name?
She can't do anything. Except cry. She kept me awake. Oh, no.
Well, that sounds familiar, doesn't it, with Angelina Ballerina? Her sister kept her awake all night like your brother.
Except the plate. That's it. I've had enough. So pleased to see you. I didn't get a chance to show you my prize properly. Will you ever That's too please, Angelina. Make sure you keep an eye on her. See this, Mommy?
Oh, now she breaks it, doesn't she? She breaks it, doesn't she? Show me your mouth.
Oh, yes.
Did you have pasta with tomato sauce? Uh-oh, she's going to break it. Uh-oh.
What was that?
You won't shout at Dylan if he breaks something of yours, will you?